I had an inquiry from the Navy. They were looking for some sort of a non-metallic abrasive for cleaning the ship's hulls. I gave them two suggestions. I gave them three, as a matter of fact. I sent them rice hulls, corn cob, and black walnuts.
Right.
And they did a job on the submarine down there in Norfolk. They did a tape on it.
Here at the Norfolk Naval Shipyard, there's a new method of blasting ship's hull using walnut shells instead of using mineral grit.
And they were just absolutely ecstatic about it.
Fine grade walnut shells are used because testing has shown that they provide a better anchor pattern than the mineral or coarse grades. Testing has also shown that an 8-inch nozzle with a half-inch ID orifice provides the best flow of material. Blasting kettles air pressure should range between 85 and 100 psi.
For one thing, it was effective, and it was environmentally sound.
The bottom half of the underwater hull, after brush blasting with walnut shells, had a 90% intact coating of good anti-fouling paint. The remaining 10% of the hull had a good coat of epoxy. These areas were miscoated with epoxy paint, and 2 overall coats of red anti-fouling paint was applied. Areas smaller than your hand did not have to be miscoated with epoxy, as it was deemed that the anchor pattern from walnut shell blasting was sufficient to tie in the anti-fouling paint to the hull.
The lower coats were not touched.
So it cost them a lot less money to finish the ship.
And that was another reason why they were discontinuing with the steel grit and the other.
Yes.
Because it was going right down to the
Right.
prime base of steel.
This had been a 3-day evolution compared to a 6 or 7-day evolution for a white metal job. The savings from this operation are numerous. In addition to the time reduction, there is a large material savings in the 3 coats of epoxy paint.
And it worked out very well. They used it on other submarines after that.
Blasting with walnut shells may seem like a nutty idea, but it's working at Norfolk Naval Shipyard.